Hey everybody, Hoosier Green Thumb coming at you today with a short little video just to say, unfortunately there's not going to be a pepper check this week. Well, I could throw in here a short little video of it, but there's not really much going on. They're just little seedlings and we're kind of waiting. As you can see, I can't exactly come out here and do something. The weather kind of flipped on us again. I don't quite get this, but this is northern Germany. It's all over the place. There are quite a few other projects that are already been filmed. I think I've got something like 15 that I just have to process. I have to get quicker at processing, so that's why I just wanted to give a little bit of a channel update of what's going on. I am working on it the Easter weekend here in Germany. It's a 4-day weekend. It gave me some time to get caught up on some stuff. I'm trying to streamline the production so that it can be quicker and I can get more material out. I mean, material is not a problem. The garden has to be done all the time and there's always something to do, or the chickens or the horses. Yeah, there's a new little lass that has come to Hirsch Ranch as well. Her name is Penny, and I'm sure we'll be showing her as well. She's quite cute, got some different colors. Apparently she changes color with the season, so I'm going to be interested to see what her winter to summer switch looks like. Anyways, that's all I wanted to do. Check in real quick to let you know how I'm doing. Let me know how you're doing in the comments below. Like and share. Almost to 1,000. Almost. We're like 44 away. It's pretty impressive. I'm very happy with that. I'm happy that things have been going as well as they have. I'm trying to professionalize things a little bit more, but it's somehow it's hard to come out of your skin and talk to yourself in your yard with your neighbors listening. So, yeah. But I'm getting there, and your feedback is the most important to me, because when, one, I'm a people pleaser, which is just what I do, and then two, it also helps me hone in on exactly what needs to be fixed, what can be better, things like that. So I hope you've had a wonderful Easter. Here we are on Easter Monday, and we got our April snow. So have yourself a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time.